On top with tori for today, Presido Buhari don tanda new 9 appointments give pipo for im cabinet. Naija Presido Buhari don approve appointment of Ade Ikpaye as Deputy Chief of Staff to Presido. Tori wey dey reach una from T-Live Media na say Ade Ikpaye na former Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice for Lagos State as im go come begin work for the office of Vice Presido. For statement wey Laolu Akonde, person wey dey tok for Vice Presido Yemi Osinbajo, e tok say Presido don approve reappointment of Dr. Adeyemi Dipeolu as im go come be special adviser to Presido on top economy matter. Mariam Uwais go be special adviser to Presido on top social investment program. Senator Babafemi Ojudu go be special adviser to Presido Muhammadu Buhari on top politics matter. Presido con still reappoint Dr. Jumoke Oduwole wey go serve give Presido as special adviser on top how business go take go well for Nigeria, the one wey oyinbo dey call ease of doing business. Ahmed Rufai Zakari go be special adviser on top infrastructure to Presido Buhari. Obafela Bankolemo go be senior special assistant on top education intervention matter. Louise Odion go be senior technical assistant to Presido on top print media. And Ajuri Ngelale go be senior special assistant on top public affairs matter for Presido Buhari. For the statement wey Laolu Akonde sign, e tok say all the new appointees dem go serve for office of Vice Presido Yemi Osinbajo, and say na only Zakari, Bankolemo, Odion and Ngelale na im go dey for Presido Buhari office. Dis ogbonge tori wey dey reach una from T-Live Media on top with tori for today na unto say Presido Muhammadu Buhari don knack 9 new appointments give 9 pipo wey go serve for im cabinet on top dis administration. Make una no forget say dis ogbonge informate so wey dey reach una na T-Live Media na im knack am dey give una on top with tori for today. And to continue to dey get dis correct and clear informate as e dey happen for Nigeria and for everywhere for the world, make una no forget to follow, comment and subscribe for our YouTube channel for T-Live Media TV. Now fit still follow us waka enter Facebook to follow and like our page for T-Live Media. Our website sidon gidigba for www.tlivemedia.com. Make una follow am to get ogbonge tori as e dey hot.